Hey guys, welcome to episode 1 of It's Made Like This. So today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to show you how to make palm oil from scratch using their machine. The first thing you need to do before bringing your palm kernel to the factory is to properly cook it. It has to be cooked properly. So when you get to the factory, it has to be measured with a 20-liter bucket of paint, and each bucket costs 150 naira. The next step after measurement is blending, whereby the palm kernels are poured into the blending machine for them to be blended properly, and it usually takes like 10 to 15 minutes for you to get a proper blending. After properly blending the palm kernel, the puree are taken to a different machine which helps to properly squeeze out the palm oil. Like I mentioned earlier, this is a factory. So now we are pouring the palm oil into a keg. After that, we are going home for the next step. In most cases, people actually sell the palm oil like this, but it is not advisable. I won't advise that. It needs to be cooked properly before selling or consumption. So now I will transfer the palm oil from keg to pot, and then we're going to cook it for 2 good hours. After boiling for 2 good hours, I'm going to set aside and let it cool off for some minutes. Then I am going to filter, as you guys can see. When I'm done with that, I will transfer to a keg for storage or any other purpose for selling and consumption. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and if you guys do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.